Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Plynk app works and if it is worth using. Plynk is an investing app designed to make stock market investing simple and accessible for beginners. It offers a user-friendly interface where users can buy fractional shares, invest with small amounts, and track their portfolios easily. The app provides educational resources and personalized insights to help users make informed decisions. One of Plynk's main advantages is its focus on ease of use, allowing new investors to start investing without confusion. It supports commission-free trades and offers goal tracking features. The app also integrates social elements, letting users see what friends are investing in and share ideas. However, Plynk has some limitations. It has a smaller range of investment options compared to larger brokers and lacks advanced trading tools for experienced investors. Some users report occasional app glitches and slow customer support. Additionally, Plynk is only available in select regions, which limits access. In summary, Plynk is worth it for beginners seeking a simple, social investing experience with low barriers to entry. More advanced investors may find it lacking in features. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.